Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. For today's worksheet, you just need a pencil. We are working with spelling shapes. Our first word is bed. B-E-D. Bed. I'm going to look for a box that is a tall box, short box, tall box. Down here at the bottom, B. I'm going to make my back first, then my belly. B-E-D. Bed. Our next word is net. N-E-T. Net. The pattern with net is short box, tall box. Can you find where we put net? Right here. N-E-T. Net. Our next word is leg. O-E-G. Leg. With leg, I have a tall, skinny L. A-G. The letter G is a basement letter, so it drops down into the basement. My next word is jet. J-E-T. Jet. With jet, I need a basement box, short box, tall box. Right here. J-E-T. Jet. My next word is red. The color red. R-E-D. Red. With red, my pattern is short box, tall box. R-E-D. Red. Then we have the letter 10. The word 10. T-E-N. 10. My pattern for 10 is tall box, short box. Here it is. T-E-N. 10. Then we have hen. H-E-N. Hen. Tall box. H-E-N. Hen. Our next word is pen. P-E-N. Pen. With pen, I need a basement box, short. Here it is. P-E-N. Pen. Next word is web. W-E-B. Web. W-E-B. With that B, I do the back first, then the belly. And our last word is stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Way to go. Flip your paper over. All right, friends, we are working with sentence scramble. Please take out your highlighter. We are going to highlight the capital of the sentence and the period. In my first sentence, it's all scrambled up. It's all mixed up. So with my highlighter, I'm going to highlight the capital S, and I'm going to highlight my period. please pick up your pencil. We now know that capitals go at the beginning of every sentence. So the word she is going to go at the very beginning because it's capitalized, and we always capitalize the beginning of a sentence. Our next word, we need a finger space. We need is. She, finger space, is. Is. Finger space, in. Finger space, bed. Bed, with that period at the end. With every sentence, we need a capital, finger spaces between words, and a period at the end. Pick back up your highlighter, and on our next line down, we're going to find the capital. We have a capital M right here. Please highlight that capital M and highlight our period. Now we know that period is going to go at the very end of the sentence. With our pencil, we're going to write, my net is very wet. My goes at the front because it's a capital letter, and we always capitalize the first letter of a sentence. My, finger space, net. Finger space, is. Finger space, very. And very is a heart word. You just have to memorize it. My net is very wet. Wet, with that period at the end. We always need a period at the end of every sentence. With your highlighter, let's find the period and the capital on the next sentence down. Here's our period, and here's our capital. Back with our pencil, we're going to write the sentence, the men got on the jet. And we know we need a capital at the beginning of every sentence, so please write the heart word the. The, finger space, men. Men, finger space, got. Got, finger space, on. Finger space, the. T-H-E spells the, jet. And I ran out of space, so I'm just going to do my best to squeeze it. Jet. With that period at the end. Don't forget your period to end your sentence. Now back with our highlighter. Please pick up your highlighter. We are going to find the capital and period on our next sentence. I see my capital M and my period at the end. With our pencil, we're going to write the sentence, my dog is at the vet. Capital M. My, finger space, dog. Dog is, finger space, at, finger space, the. T-H-E spells the. Finger space, vet. Vet. With a period at the end. Please pause if I'm going too fast. With your highlighter, please pick up your highlighter and let's highlight the capital and the period in the next sentence. Capital T and my period. Now I know the sentence is going to say, this is my red pen. With my pencil, let's write the word this with that capital T to start our sentence. Is this. Finger space is. Finger space my. I. That Y is making an I sound. My. Finger space red. Red. Finger space pen. Pen. With a period to end. Way to go. You did great.